I think we actually went. Flamingos and that there.
Yeah, there is birds. Protected.
Yeah. There's some nice.
I've flown there.
All right.
Parque Hondo.
Paint's gone under it and then the rubber goes back down. Might be able to just get a little bit of glue on the edge of the rubber, just stick it to it. Might just put a little tiny bit more filler in that little bit there.
Yeah. Well done. Got it drying in the sun, it helps. This is the first coat, really, I suppose. It's had like 5 fine coats, but it's a matte. It will set matte because the lacquer has to go on top, and that will make it shine like the rest of the car. This is the lacquer.